Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to add title to TikTok live stream. So to do this, you just need to go to open your TikTok account. After that, click on TikTok Studio below your bio. After that, go to Live tab and click on Go Live. After that, as you can see now, there is my picture on the top of the screen, and near to my picture there is Add Title. Just need to click on Add Title and write the title that you want. And like that, I added a title to my live streaming video. So when I click on Go Live, my live title will be test or any title that you put on your or for your live streaming. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and until the next video, see you again.